The first one, as we see here, the first one is to make a guide for the wheel, as you see here, and the second is to form teeth to drive the truck by the driver gear. The driver gear, as we see here, this one is a conventional spar gear. The distances between each two teeth is the same as the distances between the track teeth or the track notches. You can get this by using mathematics, by measuring the circumference of the gear and divide it to the number of the teeth. Then you will have, you can calculate the distances between each two adjacent plates of track by calculating the circumference of the driver gear. This one, the circumference of the driver gear. Firstly, before you design the track, you have to choose your driver gear with the number of teeth. Then you can take the data of the gear, the number of teeth and the diameter and the circumference to calculate the distances and the number of the notches, the distances between each two adjacent notches of the track and the number of the notches, like this. Let's use the calculator. If we have a diameter of the driver gear is 5 centimeter, across 3.14, the circumference of the gear would be 15 centimeter point 7. 15 centimeter point 7. If you have 8 teeth in your driver gear, then you should divide the circumference on the number of the teeth, which is 8. You will get the distance between each two adjacent notches, which in this case would be 1.962 centimeter. That's equal to 2 centimeter. These are the mathematics or the laws you can use. Finally, you will have this beautiful design for your RC tank or RC Rover or RC robot truck. Thank you and stay tuned for my next designs and videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.